Imagine a house painted without a single drop of traditional paint. Sounds impossible? Think again.
Welcome to Skelleftea, Sweden's greenest city, a city that thinks sustainability, the future of sustainable innovations, where industrialization meets environmental responsibility. Skelleftea is home to many great companies such as BOLIDEN AB, Skelleftea Kraft, Northvolt, and more. BOLIDEN is operating mining in a way that leaves minimal environmental impacts. Skelleftea Kraft is generating electricity using eco-friendly methods. Northvolt is building the world's largest circular electric vehicle battery company that hopes to make all history. The image you're seeing is inside the tallest wooden building in Scandinavia, otherwise known as Serakucho House. From here, we journey down to this iconic building somewhere close by from this point. This is the building located some few distance away from the centrum of Skelleftea. Let's take a tour. As we take a tour, I will be explaining why this building is actually doing so much to support the dream of Skelleftea being a sustainable city. I will also be explaining the chemistry behind the formation of this reddish brown patina on the walls. I will also explain in details the nature of the materials used in achieving this sustainable building. Just take a tour and look around and see what the building really looks like. This house is more sustainable than a conventionally painted house. Many conventional paints have a relatively short lifespan, requiring frequent repainting. This leads to repeated resource use, waste generation, and environmental impact. Paint often contains other toxic chemicals like formaldehyde, heavy metals, and certain solvents that can be very harmful to both human health and the environment. Painted surfaces typically require regular maintenance to prevent rust and corrosion, especially in outdoor environments. Paint can chip, peel, and fade over time, requiring frequent reapplication. The brown coloration you see on the body of this building, once it is formed, there won't be any need for any maintenance anymore. The natural rust layer acts as a protective coating, eliminating the need for regular maintenance. So once it is formed, the building remains that way. As you can see, the brownish coloration is permanent. It requires no painting. The exterior of this building, rather than being painted, is coated with cotton steel, a special kind of steel. It's a different kind of steel with varying amount of these elements. But how does it form the reddish brown coloration that is so uniform and not patchy? This happens when the iron in the steel reacts with water from rain and oxygen around the atmosphere to produce a reddish brown patina that you know as rust. When iron reacts with oxygen and water, it produces iron hydroxide, which is reddish brown in color. But its coloration You may be wondering, why is it that it's so uniform, and why is it that it's not patchy? It has to do with the components, the makeup of the steel itself. It is made up of a large dose of nickel and some other transition metals that have capacity to impact, especially copper, that gives it that unique color. Yes, copper is really very important in giving it that uniform coloration, otherwise known as the patina. And once this formation is there, it is not like the usual rust where it becomes a continuous process where the metal piece is eating up deeper and deeper and deeper. Once it is formed, it becomes a permanent protective layer over the surface. So it's not a continuous rusting process typical of a normal steel. Yes, this steel was developed in the US around 1910, and it has been in use for a long period of time. In an era where sustainable and environmental conscious design is paramount, cotton steel stands out as a material that harmonizes with the natural world. It requires no paint or additional coatings, reducing the need for harmful chemicals, minimizing environmental impact. Moreover, cotton steel is highly recyclable, contributing to a circular economy and promoting responsible construction practices. Cotton steel is more than just a building material. It's a statement to the power of design, to create structure that are both enduring and inspiring. Its ability to age gracefully, coupled with its environmental benefits, makes it a compelling choice for architects and designers seeking to create a meaningful and lasting spaces. As we look to the future of architecture, cotton steel stands as a symbol of how we can build in harmony with nature, crafting buildings that are as resilient as they are beautiful. Yes, Skelleftea is taking the lead in having buildings that respect nature, that do not in any way pollute the environment. It's a plus, and we hope that every other city will follow suit. Deepest gratitude goes to Skelleftea Municipal Housing Agency, known as KIBO, for the incredible work of building this sustainable home. The innovative design and eco-friendly features incorporated into this amazing house is really something to behold. Thank you once again for your dedication to sustainability and for providing us with a home that really reflects the city's commitment to a greener future. Your hard work and vision are deeply appreciated.